the fuck?
She a promoter.
So what then do we get there something there?
She just, you know, some women have
beard,
and they just
so she just let it grow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
What I deal with, man?
so she glad.
Fuck off.
Yeah,
Walk around proud.
What going on I deal with? You know I sitting guy already, bossy. Man a bad man a OG. You see what I deal with? What I deal with? People. Yeah. You know it go already, you know, people. What going on? Why latest fucker will take place for the pussy cat did that. Everybody still a suck with and a lick out people, but you all of them, my friend. What going on with this one? Well, you know what? I forgot. You've seen if that was, yeah, what? So what dear? Me a mind my own business, you know. When you never hear me call one battyman name, when you never hear me try for one battyman cussing, whenever you hear me not tell you say me not like battyman, me never call battyman name. You see me I deal with pray. Me see one battyman coming on my inbox. The battyman, come off of my blood clot name, bitch. Come off of my name, you see you call my name for your life. Me say, hi. Me laugh at first because I think it's a joke. You feel like I did? So I say, what the bumbo clot? You know what I did? Then me hear the blood clot forgot start trace worse. He blood clot bitch. He start trace now the fucking forgot. Just a cuss now, you know. Me say, hey, bumbo clot batty boy. Let me tell you this. Me no do batty cussing. Me no do blood clot batty cussing, my friend. Take your battyman bumbo clot out of my pussy clot inbox, junker ass clot, blood clot batty boy. Do I ever try for pussy clot penetrate me with no pussy clot sitting there now going with boy I hear you? Me and no batty boy now go up and no bumbo clot live got trace pussy wall. How are you, my friend? Me no fuck batty, me say pussy me fuck over here, sir. Pussy me fuck over here, sir. No batty boy no feel no tanglings with me over here, sir. Make straight man hate me because me a fuck gal. Batty boy, keep your blood clot lane. Me tell you, all your lane in a batty fish. You see, you know, what that, me see the bumbo clot boy rowdy me up. Me take me up. Hey, me a go mark out your blood clot name and drop the blood clot screenshot there, you know, because boy, you know, see, I want to waste, man. Pussy, well, you know, so me not like batty boy. When you come over here, so you know, batty tracy, me not tell you, so I wrong name, I not call dog. Pussy all a poison man want to catch you all on a poison on a bumbo clot and I come go on. When you left here Jamaica with a whole heap of blood clot, gully livity, and you come and find dirtiness and sitting. Oh, me can't call you gully nothing because you say you come from Mobile. Where this battyman from Mobile me could have hidden now? You're not even Kingston your blood clot come from where me can't say yo. Me probably this year, but me never this a battyman yet. Me no like batty boy, me no call battyman name. You come from all the way down a blood clot mobby and you come in my inbox and come tell me about your body fetish them, about me a bitch and me if you can suck out your pussy. Move your blood clot. Which way your pussy? Move it. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Boy, you have pussy. Shut up. You don't have no pussy. Your body will deep and think. That me can't tell you. Your body will shut up. Body will. I want to you, my friend. I want to you aquarium. I want to you, my friend, go drown yourself. I want to you, my friend. When you all the way down a mobile pussy, well, me never got mobile yet. I fly out a bumbo clot that connected flight. Me that come a blood clot Fort Lauderdale, my friend. And they fly me from Kingston to Montego Bay. It never make no sense to me, but it is kind of nice. Go a blood clot mobile, me fly from this to come here. That's all. Me can say, oh, the bumbo clot in my inbox, but me I call the name. Me not talk to batty boy. No batty boy can say me bumbo clot. Pussy. I want the bumbo clot there, my friend. Me say, pussy me fuck over here, so. Pussy me suck youth. You see me I deal with youth, a hoodie I suck. Why? Batty boy. Oh, yeah, man. Pussy hole. Why? Don't come in on me inbox with them the batty talk there. Me and no batty boy not there and no live. I do not talking. None of them bumbo class sitting there, my friend. Me suck pussy, you suck hood. All your lane. You see me I deal with all your lane, dog. All your lane. Me even have sodomite friend a bumbo class. Me alone par. Me have a bumbo class desert eagle, my friend. You see me I deal with. I want to you, my friend. Hey, batty boy. I see me want to see if it jump in your face like a pool in a youth. That me I try to tell you, just jump off in your bumbucklad face, my friend. Flick off in your bumbucklad face like one of them bridges where you flick off in a river water in you. Oh man. Bumbucklad, this batty boy I do in my inbox. Me no want no batty man in my inbox. Me no call batty boy name. Me no batty boy and a pussy wall we no mix up. You never see me nowhere where batty man there yet, so no call me blood clad. Hey boy. You just say the whole of my friend them a man will fuck out gal hole and make gal suck their hood. You deaf. Me like watch my man friend them fuck gal in a them hole, it turn on me. Me like it. When me see my brethren them a fuck out gal hole with real hood in a gal real hole, me like that. Me no like boy we fuck out batty hole. You hear me I tell my friend, why? Why you put your batty fuck? You see me I deal with my friend. Go from here say in a room then think. You brief them full of shit. Oh, I'm telling you, my friend, man. Oh, I'm telling you. When a boy, me and a found a batty boy come wow, not talk about a period. Moving a blood clot. Batty will a leak a month time. Pussy hole. When the batty will a drain out, the bumbo clot and I come go on. Move in the bumbo clot self rise about a period. Move. But pussy. Which one have pussy? I walk on a blood clot, I flush out on the batty wall to make man show hood in night. What? Shut up! Move in the bumbo clot about pussy on the batty wall deep. Why? I want to know. And think. On a brief them full of shit. All when that shit take you don't have to run fast.
Man, blood clot pampas.
One time, pussy hole, one time shit a come, you have to run before shit even register up on the mind. When the batty will now wallet, it Lego. You hear me? I tell you, batty boy, I want to hear my friend. I want the bumbo clot them fish product here. I want to this caviar. I want to your sushi. I want to your dog. Bumbo clot there, youth. I want to hear my friend. When I have bumbo clot, man, I fuck out on the batty hole till you not leak. When I have your feminine product. I want to do it on the seed them. Pussy hole. I want to do it on the two blood class seed them, my friend. Eh? I pussy me fuck over so me and no batty man have nothing in common. Me never fuck a girl in her batty hole yet. No girl can lick out my batty hole and me not lick out none. So me no have no batty talk to make to bum buckle. Me and no batty boy have nothing in common. So no can stop talk about say lesbian and batty man I see him thing. How? How? A pussy me suck. Pussy are the cleanest place for a woman body. Blood clot me a lick out batty hole for. Eh? Oh hey. This shit up bed bumbo clot leak batty hole batty boy. Where him come from?
Diaper batty boy.
Yeah, batty hole bust like one of the PCV pipe them no water commission. How are you boy?
A drain out.
Eh? What I'm doing enough on a blood clot girl. When you hear 20 time man burn fire upon the batty man them call a freak. Yeah, I mean, when a dirty freak, all on a shit bag dirty girl. All on enough on a girl. That's why when I have a batty man them a cuss no like dogs so. Because when I give batty man them free space you come go no too much talk. Run the batty man them out on the blood clot face and I see boy them a fuck on the man them when I hear that. When I hear that. When I hear that when I see batty boy them a flush out them batty wall for fuck on the man them. When the man them a fuck out them batty wall and that you know want for yourself. Stop bring them one wall for bumbo. What time man light fire for the bumbo class shit dig at them. Who if glad? Them boy I dig out too much blood class shit out. I tile it them, you know, my friend. Make it tile it them flush in peace. I want to the boy don't come in my blood clot inbox with this. Leave me fucking inbox, man. Me don't want no batty man try this ever again. Fuck you, bitch ass nigga. Who the fuck you, man?
Argue with your blood.
What's the clot there, man? Me no friend blood clot batty man. I know for any girl who a friend them one well for blood clot batty man and I feel like somebody who don't need for top. Because I notice I will not give them the will for stripe and make them feel like they can up on top and attack about pussy. Oh, can suck out them pussy. Shut on the batty hole. Shut on the fucking batty hole. Dog shit. What's that? What's that?
Shit digger.
Mama, me no love live. I force me come live from there. Me cause the shit pit them in peace. What the blood clot doing, man? Don't ever come back in my inbox. No batty man not allowed in my inbox. Fuck you, bitch. What the fuck this pussy ass nigga? Bruh, you a hoe. Dog, your mama should have never had sex, boy. I'm telling you, your mama a bitch for that. Your mom, I wish I would have strangled your mom. Feel me? I wish I had met your mom when your mom was giving birth. I'll kill your mom, dog, on God. You feel? Pussy, I don't ever come back in my blood clot inbox with this again. You feel me? I do it. I last time I tell you, I do a blood clot like battyman. You hear me? Call it what you know will. But blood clot, patakos keckle. Oh, patakos keckle. No boy can't batty me. Know that. I mean, a batty. No boy. So me and no batty boy and have nothing in common. Flick off in our mama. I want to know. Batty and blood clot, sadly, are two different blood clots sitting. Me shoot tongue in a pussy hole. The boy they shoot tongue in a batty hole. I want to see my friend. Are two different hole that. Them the hole, they are different hole. You see me I deal with, I want to make a girl them freaky in peace and make me eat them. I want the blood clot there. Check a bumbo clot treat for you girl them pussy. Sweet. I want to dog. No body shrimps. You see me I deal with. I want to dog. When I know say all of my friend them straight. All of my friend them straight. All of my friend them straight. You feel like I deal with my man friend them. I'm not body boy can't heal me dog. I want the bumbo clot there. Run come in the inbox but bitch. Come on for my name. Hey, pussy clot tuna fish. Let me tell you this. Leave me inbox. Don't come back over here. We not like batty boy. You hear me I tell you, batty boy, hold your fence. You feel like me I do it? Hold your fence, pussy hole. Hold your fence. You see me I do it? Go lean up on your fence over there, so. Nail up yourself on the fence over there, so boy. This a fence, yeah? A different fence. You should tongue in a batty hole, me should tongue in a pussy hole. Me and no batty boy and have nothing in common. Remember that blood clot. Whenever see a sodomite or a batty boy around me, me is a blood clot freelance man, you know. Freelance me deal with, you know. Me alone walk, you know. Me and my pussy clot shadow. More while all the pussy they left me, you know. Cause me a one fussy hole, you know. You hear me I tell you? More while all me shed a becks with blood clot me, you know, my friend. You hear me I tell you? You do blood clot come back in a pretty damn inbox. Tuna, sprat, blood clot idiot. What you do over blood clot, yes sir? Nobody na fuck over yes sir. Girl pussy and dig out over here so bone sodomite but pretty than big up. Youth,
Instagram?
you know the sit and go. Toilet boy. You know she say is a toilet wall.
I never see that on Instagram yet.
You're toilet general. Where the blood clot you come from?
Pretty damn.
Eh? You come like shit stick. Shit bag. How the bumbo clot? Wait, no boy will play up in a shit can't diss me. No boy where I make man fuck them in a them batty hole can't diss me. No boy where I take fucking a batty hole can't diss me. No boy never fuck me in my batty hole yet. Me never fuck a girl in her batty hole yet. Me never deal with no batty thing. Never. Never. Truth. I like hear myself. Me go and good over there. Yo, how are them bumbuckler fish a come back? Eh? How am to you?
More particular vice.
Eh? Well, what go on? You know good? I don't know what's going on. They just come with us. Say what up on my mind. I hate that. You see me a day with the pussy them violate. And right now me angry. You understand me disrespectful right now. You understand me? I really don't want to fucking do it, but this blood clot fish, when him come, you don't blood clot do it again. You disrespect me, youth. What the fuck you youth blood clot so cocky, blood clot balls liquor. Pussy wall boy, that's why I'm not share spliff. Can't trust them blood clot boy, youth. Why? Hey. Look, hey, let me tell you something. Batty boy. Batty man, let me show you nothing. My friend. No batty boy can come tell me say you have one straight man who deal with him, you know. Cause that straight man, they wouldn't be a batty man too, you know. You see me I deal with? But let me tell you this, batty boys. Every batty boy, let me tell you this. All of my charge them will pop off my pocket. Every one of them when me see in the street, the whole of my brethren them fuck out girl throat. All girl tonsil the lick out with cocky. You hear me I tell you? Fuck out girl all of my friend them fuck girl in them pussy. You see me I deal with nobody shreps. Nobody never leak out for none of my virgin them shit yet. You see me I deal with no girl can say none of my virgin them fuck them in them body hole. We not do low shreps. You see me I deal with so no body boy can address me. Go address your mama. We should not fuck and make you die. You see me I deal with my friend. I want to your boy. No for no look a body boy while walk around the place. You can't no chattings with me. Remember say me can't breathe, you know. Remember that, you know, me can't bring fat no youth, you know. When I walk around with a big cocky full of blood clot, juicy breed people, girl pitney. But you know, have man coming out on a body wall. Moving a blood clot for you, so. Shit pit. I want to know, daddy. I want to know. When the day I make man a deal with a body like mixer. I want to know, my friend. I'm mixing board. I want to your dog. Relax. You see me? Relax yourself. No blood clot shit nigga can't come deal with me, my friend. Don't try that. Cause one time when I come live, I be a blood clot me a hear. Blood clot! Blood clot! Find the next word, shit house. You feel me I deal with? Shit bag, dirty, shit pit, shit digger, shit flicker. Find a new blood clot word. I'm gonna suck out on a mother dog. You see me I deal with? No battyman not try address me. You hear me? I don't like you. You hear me I deal with? I don't fucking like you. Me suck pussy on a suck out. You see me I deal with? Don't fucking try me. All I girl them want blood clot put up with the battyman, they wanna get conk up, you know. Make it battyman they see in them batty corner, batty lane up on them batty wall. I want them to my friend. You know, see boy them a rinse out them batty wall if you come fuck on a man them. Make the boy them a turn them cocky in a pussy if you come fuck on a man them. Open on your eyes, lady. Run where batty boy them. The batty boy them a shit house. The boy them a flush out the wall of them batty wall if you can take the cocky one on love. What this shit flicker doing in my inbox? Batty boy, I'm telling you this. Go suck your mother youth. I want to hear that. Oh yeah. I want to hear youth. Any day I start make boy have my body as mixing board, then you can come talk to me. Answer till then. Metro Media, go suck your mother with your mixer body. I want to hear you. Go suck your mother. I want to hear, friend. I want to hear. You see me? I want to hear, my friend. Don't come over here, someone. Me and no body boy now in a tanglets. Why? Why if that pussy the dog? I want to hear. Eh? Why if dog? Man a fucking in your body, dog. Why? Man a shift for your balls and a push hood in your rear. Why? You see me I deal with? Man a fuck you and a pluck you like chicken. Why? You see me? Why, man? You suck man balls and man a deep throat you. Why? You hear me I tell you fish product, caviar, I want to your sushi. You deaf? Why? You deaf? Love on the air, dog. Up top! Batty boy go suck your mother, dog. Feel like a chattings. You know, see kid thing at. You come over here, so. We not mix up in a shit argument, my friend. Shit go in a toilet and flush down that. Is it me I deal with? Yeah, me not pick off shit off of my sheet. Is it me I deal with? No boy can't mix my body hole. I want to shit, hey, Sprat. Bill, I want to the mudfish here. I want to my friend. Alright, wheel! Hold your lane. You see me I deal with? I want to my friend. Suck your mother, boy. Hey, go suck your mother in a brother. Go suck your mother, hey, butty boy. Go suck out your mother, dog. Brother. Brother, go suck out your mother. Dog, go suck out your mother, dog. Big man thing. Go suck out your mother, youth. Go suck out your mother, man. Flick up and jump up in your thing, pussy mama. Suck your mother, dog. Bumbuck lad. Dive in your pooper.